Welcome to the Sway tutorial by the Mary F. English program. Sway is a new presentation program that was created by Microsoft and was released in August 2015. It is an innovative software that allows users to use text and media to create interactive presentations. Inserting multimedia creates an engaging presentation that tells a story, rather than being only information-driven. Users can pull content from almost any available internet source without having to leave the app. Some examples of its uses are multimedia-driven presentations, teaching class lessons, or even building your own personal portfolio. Some important things you need to know about accessing Sway is that for Windows 10, it automatically has it downloaded on it, or if your school organization has access to Office 365 account, it also is available. And for iOS devices, it can be downloaded through the app and create an account using their email address. Unfortunately, right now, it's currently working for other platform devices, and that's the only way that it's available. And you must be connected to the internet to access the app. Some of the benefits of Sway is that the presentation is optimized by displaying images and creating a smooth transition between cards. Live content will help the reader to engage and interact, and there are numerous audio, video, and picture sharing sites to add live content from, such as Twitter. It allows the users to fluently tell a story to grab the audience's attention, and it's great for personal projects such as trips or even a short presentation. Two nice features is that it allows you to automatically save your content without having to click the save button, and it allows multiple users to collaborate on one project, and it can be easily shared with others. Some disadvantages to Sway is that at this time, Sway is limited in its flexibility and only allows the users to select design themes that have already been created. The users don't have the option to customize the colors or font styles, and you can add your content to the cards, but you don't have control of where you can place them on the page. At this time, you cannot print out the slides or presentations, and you must be connected to the internet to access the content and open the app. The one thing that we have to remember is that the app is still developing, and the disadvantages should diminish and more users will switch to this tool for presenting. In this tutorial, I'll go over the features that Sway has to offer, how to create a Sway, and how to add media content to Sway. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to type in sway.com into your search bar. A screen like this will appear. The one thing that you'll need, though, is a Microsoft Office 365 account. If you do not have one, you can go ahead and purchase one through Microsoft Office Store. You'll click Get Started and type in your Microsoft Office account. This is a screen that you would enter in the rest of your information. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use as if we were a student at Northern Illinois University. This is the main screen for Sway. You'll notice that there's an Import button and a Create New button. The Import button allows you to upload already created PowerPoints. The neat thing is that Sway knows how to break up the content into each subsection, where you can create it how you would like. It also allows you to create a new PowerPoint presentation inside of Sway by clicking Create New. Now that I've showed you the main screen, we are going to dive deeper into the features of Sway and how to create a presentation. The first step, like I said, is to click the Create New button. You'll see that there are two categories, one being storyline and cards. The storyline is what you would consider the slides of PowerPoint, but instead of the headline and a text being attached to one slide, it allows you to create them separately. The first slide will be your title page. You may type in whatever you like. For this one, we're going to go ahead and type in hedgehogs. You'll notice that there's an emphasize button, access button, and a link button. What that does is create it to either be bolded, italicized, or it will even create a link. You can connect a link to the word. In order to add more content, you can either click the plus sign or click the text or heading button over to the side. For this, we'll go ahead and click heading. Heading has the exact same features as the title, allows you to emphasize, access, or link, but you can also add, along with the title page, add a background. By clicking the text button, it has a few different features, although it does have the emphasize and accent button. It also has a bullet and numbers list. So that's how you add different cards. You'll see that you can also access the cards by clicking on the card button up at the top. If you want to add pictures, you can click the Insert Picture card. This allows you to add different pictures, and in order to get started, all you do is have to click on Add Picture, and it'll open up your inserts. Some of the other things that you can add other than pictures are videos, tweets, embedded images or web links, charts, or you can even group the different sections. As you notice, as I create more cards, when I click a heading, a new heading button, it allows you to create different sections within your Sway. This allows each section to be a separate page of your Sway. You also see that there's this insert button. This allows you to insert pictures or different objects that you'd like to insert based on the topic that you've chosen. Sway automatically knows what type of images to search based on your title. You can also use the suggested options. This allows you to upload content from OneDrive, Flickr, Bing, PicHit, YouTube, or Twitter, or you can even add some sources. You can even upload your own content if you'd like. So for example, if we want to go ahead and upload a YouTube video, all we do is have to click the YouTube button, select which one is closest to what we're looking for, and then the YouTube videos will all appear here. And we will click on the one that we would like the most. It's as simple as just clicking Add. We don't even have to leave Sway in order to get to the YouTube video. Some of the other features of Sway is design and navigation. Design allows you to edit how the context of your words will look in terms of the font, the style of the background. Overall, these are just the different designs available. You can even custom make it, and it can be based on whatever topic, color inspired based on your topic. You can also click the remix button, which will just go through different examples of text that could work with. The navigation button allows you to determine which way you want your Sway to scroll. You can either go to the horizontally or vertically, or like a PowerPoint presentation where it goes slide by slide. You also have the option to play your slide, see what different authors have edited it, along with share with other people. This is what an example of a finished Sway would look like. In order to move through it, all you do is have to click the slide button. And this is how you could show like pictures, for example. It just makes it nice and fluent. That is all you need to know about the Microsoft Office Sway. The app is still new, so keep in mind features may change. That is all for the tutorial by the Mary F. English program. Thank you for watching.